Hello everyone, my name is Manmeet Kaur from the Gurukul School Rania. In this video, we are gonna discuss about formation of joint stock company. Yes, how we opened or formed a company. Okay, it is basically only 4 stages are there: promotion, incorporation, capital subscriptional stage, commencement of business. Okay, but in today's video, we will gonna discuss about promotion. Okay, these three terms we will gonna discuss one by one in another videos. Okay, promotion means like film stars promoting their pictures, movies, like in going to reality show or concert. Okay, they are doing promoting their movies. Like in companies, promotion stage is considered at the first place. Okay, first, for promoting a thing, you must have idea. Okay, in which business you wanna go. You must investigate. Like I want to open a clothes business, I have to investigate from where I got the raw material, man, labor, money. Okay, or whether I want to go for ready-made garments or for to manufacturing a cloth only. Okay, promotion stage, in which ideas we gonna discover. Investigate, we will do investigate or search the things or doing inquiry relating to our ideas or which business we want to go. Assembling means ikattha karna, assembling the resources. Okay, the person who helps in all these activities is known as promoter. Okay, promoter converts the business idea and takes all initiative to form a company. Promoter help us to take a action. Okay, stages of promotion. Okay, the 6 stages are there. Identification of business opportunity. Yes, he have to check out which business gives us profit, or which opportunities are available which will benefit us in future. That is known as identification of business opportunity. Second one is analyze the various resources required, amount of capital, degree of risk. Yes, for starting a business you must consider these three things. Resources, whether you are having labor, material, transportation, communication facility easily, how much capital or money you want to invest. Capital is known as investment money. Degree of risk, in which business there is low risk or high profit, or you want to go or you want to go for high risk business in which more profits are involved. Okay, that's up to you. Second one is feasibility study. Yes, specialist, we hire some specialists who go for detailed studies like CA, engineer. Okay, they discuss with the promoter regarding objective and prepare notes which help us to take decision. Example, whether you go for large scale business or small scale business, or location, or where you want to open or to plant your factory. Third one, name approval. Yes, two companies don't have a similar name, cannot have a identical name. Okay, for every companies, it's necessary or to get register its name or approved its name from registrar office. Okay, 3 more points are left, then this promotion topic will over. Fixing up signatories to memorandum of association. Yes, students, two types of documents are memorandum of association and article of association. In memorandum of association we define our objectives. Okay, in article of association we define the rules, regulation. Okay, these are both are compulsory documents for formulating a company. Okay, and who gonna sign these two certificates will be our directors who manage our thing, who direct the activities of the company. Appointment of professional. Yes, broker, underwriters, directors are approved or appointed. That these were our management member. Broker means agent. Okay, who helps us to sell our shares. Underwriter is also considered an agent, but in underwriter, uh, he purchase all the shares from us, and afterward it's his her responsibility to sell them. Okay, preparation of necessary document. Yes, two documents I mentioned just a minute ago, like memorandum of association, article of association. Okay, in memorandum we define our objective of the company. What objective, why I am opening a company, An article of association, its rules and regulation. Prospectus is like a magazine in which each and every detail of my company is mentioned. Okay, hope you understand this topic. Thanks everyone.